Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Mungu. I'd like to sincerely thank to Evision Technosoft Private Limited for their continuous guidance and training and placement support throughout my journey. I am happy to share that I have been successfully placed at Newbiesoft Technology with a package of 3.5 LPA. This opportunity is possible because of Evision's structured training and strong placement support. I'd like to give a special thank to Rahul sir for providing in-depth technical knowledge in the area of ITIL, Windows administration, Windows Server, and hardware troubleshooting, which helped me to build a strong technical foundation. I'm also very thankful to Priya ma'am from the placement team for her continuous support and motivation and guidance during the placement process. A special thank to Anamika ma'am, my recruiter, for her coordination, encouragement, and smooth handling of entire process. Overall, my experience with Evision has been extremely positive, and I'm truly grateful for the role they played in helping me to start my IT career. Thank you so much for the entire Evision team.